doing a stone swap with another wire wrapper on YouTube, and the intent is to send each other things that will push us out of our comfort zone in wire wrapping. He received his package. I sent him some fossils and a little crystal that I also collected at the same place as the fossils, and some green adventuring to go with it. And I can't wait to see what he makes. I think it's going to stretch his abilities because he's a big man-handed, likes to pound things down and force them into submission, and fossils have to be handled delicately to be wrapped. And here's the package that he sent me that I'm about to open. Can't wait, I'm so excited! Let's see. How do I get in it? My hand. Okay, I think I got it. Oh, tape to the bottom of the... That's a good idea. It's taped to the bottom of the box so it doesn't roll around. That is a good idea. I wish I thought of that years ago. Oh, destruction! There's fragile on the corners. Probably be more careful. Okay, now. Oh, sorry, I got off the camera. I put a lot of lid in this. There's more logo in the packaging inside, so wait a second, so I can cover the names too. I'm sure he doesn't care to know his name, but nobody needs to know our home addresses. It's open without anybody seeing the top of it with the address. Tape. There we go. Thank you, it says. Hi, Aletha. Sorry this got out late. A while back, I did a video on my first masterpiece for a communications class at the university. I think you're far past that, but these are the stones I used. Sorry the fire agate isn't better. Ruby garnet, orange and yellow sapphire, citrine peridot, oh, and the opals. I can't forget those. I look forward to see what you do, though I don't know if you can realistically jam all these into one piece, though it's totally possible. Just not everyone's style and not necessary. I'm sure it will find a good use. Oh man, sounds like a lot of expensive stones that make me a nervous wreck. Once it hits the floor, it's gone! I'm terrified of expensive stones. This is suspense! Ah! What's in here? Oh my goodness! Yeah, those are not all going in one piece. Because holy cow. That's a lot of stones to put in one piece. Maybe, I don't know. It's supposed to be stretching out of my comfort zone. Maybe. Oh, look at that guy. I like that fire. There's nothing wrong with that. Oh. Look at these tiny, tiny facets, though. I can set them, but they scare me because they're expensive. I don't use expensive things. Look. See my container of tiny stones? Where are the tiniest? This is good video. Me searching for something. Not expensive stones. The most expensive stones I have some opals here. But the rest are very common stones. These guys. Gorgeous facets. Okay, right there. Oh, whatever I make is going to have to be thick. This thick stone. Gonna have to think about this for a while. This is awesome. I'm so excited to do this. Okay, we'll see. Maybe I'll do a live stream and try and figure it out, but that just might be frustrating for everyone involved. I don't know. We'll see.